Nagesh Karajagi Orchid channel, myself Harsha teacher. In the last period we have learned subtraction. Okay, so in that period what we have learned and how we have learned that the things which the things or numbers which we have to cut from that and write the total. But in that whatever the things they gave, we have done cross which we have gave to the others, and the remaining things we have written in the number, means answer place. Okay, but we have learned in addition on the fingers how to add and how to count on the fingers like this. Today also we are going to learn in this same subtraction how to count on the numbers and write, and then later on we are going to learn on the scale also, subtraction on the number line also. So first of all I will tell you how to count on the fingers. Okay, now see, if you are having 5 chocolates with you, first what you will do, you will count first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You will open your fingers and count 5 fingers because you are having 5 chocolates with you. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are having 5 chocolates you are having with you. Now from these 5 chocolates you want to give 2 chocolates to your friend. So what you will do, from these 5 chocolates you will give 2 chocolates to your friend. So see, 1, 2, you gave 2 chocolates to your friend. So how many remains with you? 1, 2, 3. Yes, in this way we are going to learn today. Okay, now see, you are having 4 pencils with you. Okay, 4 pencils with you, 1, 2, 3, 4. From that 4 pencil, 1 pencil you want to give to your sister, brother. So what you will do, you will give the pencil and the remaining pencils you will count. So how many will be the answer, how much will be the answer, and how many pencils will be with you, that we have to count. So 1, 2, 3. Yes, 3 fingers are there, means you are having 3 pencils now with you. Yes, like this on the fingers we have to see. Now see, here 3 chocolates in your hand. Yes, in one hand you have 3 chocolates, so you will count 1, 2, 3. Okay, you will open your 3 fingers, 1, 2, 3, and in another hand you are having 2 chocolates, so you will open 2 fingers. Yes, like this, 1, 2. Yes, from this now you will give to your mama 2 chocolates. Yes, so you will give 1, 2 chocolates, so you have closed the fingers. So how many remains with you? 1, 2, 3. That we will see in our book. Everybody open your book, page number 104. So in addition what we have seen, that we were looking to the number and putting front of that so many lines, as many lines. Yes, so here in the subtraction we will not put the lines, but we will draw the circle. Why we are drawing the circle? If we will draw like this, lines, when we cross or we cut that line, it will get confused. If we will draw like this circle, when we cut we can understand that properly. So we are going to draw the circle. Okay, we are going to learn to draw the circle and count, cut and write. But every time you remember, whenever you are doing the addition, that time you can draw the line, so you will get easy to count. But in subtraction you have to draw the circle, because the circle is little bit big, and when we cut that we can understand and count it properly. So here see, can you see the number? Yes, 3. So here front of 3 what we will do? We will draw 3 balls. Yes, then downside here the sign is of minus, and here the number is 2. So what we have to do, from this 3 we have to cut this 2. So here we will cut 1, 2. So how many remains here? 1. So we will write here 1. Okay, so once again I will explain you. Okay, see here the number is 3, so we will write here 1 2 3. Yes, and now from this 3 we have to cut minus 2. Yes, so 1 2, so how many circle are remaining? Yes, 1, so we will write here 1. Next, now see here, can you see the number? Yes, which number is this? 6. Which sign is this? Minus. And how many we have to minus from this 6? Number 2. So first we will draw here 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, from this 6 we have to cut 2, so cut 2 like this, 1 2. So how many remains? 1 2 3 4, so write here 4. The answer will be 4. 6 minus 2, the answer will be 4. The answer will be 4. Now next, can you tell me? Yes, 7. So we have to draw 7 circles. See, I will little bit draw upside. You have the pencil in your hand and you can draw properly, but because of this I can't write here properly. I will write little bit upside. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yes, from this 7, how many we have to cut minus and minus? 3. 7 minus 3. So what we will do? We will cross 3. So how many we will get? 1 2 3 4. So here we will write 4. Next, 3 minus 1. So here 1 2 3. Now 1 we have to cross. So here only 2. Yes, like this you have to do. Now here 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. From this 8 minus 1 we have to do. So what we have to do? We have to cut 1. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we will write here 7. See, downside number we have to see, and that many things or that number we have to minus from that upside number. So now next line I will show you on the fingers. Yes, can you see here which number is this? Yes, now open your fingers. How many fingers? 4 fingers. 1 2 3 4. Open your 4 fingers. Yes, and then minus 3. So now minus 3 means close 3 fingers. 1 2 3. So how many left? 1. So write here 1. Now once again see here. 4 minus 1. Open your 4 fingers. Yes, like this. Open your 4 fingers. 4 minus 1. So now 4 minus 1 means 1 finger will close. 1 number is there, so only 1 finger we will close. So how many will remain? 1 2 3. So here we will write 3. Got it? Now open your, see here, 6 minus 3. So now you have to open 6 fingers. Yes, open 6 minus 3. Everybody open properly 6 minus 3. First open 6 fingers. See, 5 plus 1, 6. Yes, I have opened my 6 fingers. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 fingers I have opened. From that we have to minus 3. Means if we have 6, we have to minus 3. So what we will do? We will close 3 fingers. So how you will close 3 fingers? 1 2 3. Yes. If you close like this 3 fingers, how many fingers remain? See, 1 2 3. So write here 3. Now see, can you tell me the next? You will tell, I will listen. Okay. Yes, which number is this? 5. So open. Yes, 5. From these 5 fingers, how much we have to minus? 4 fingers. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many remains? Only 1. So here we will write 1. Got it? Now next, 5 minus 3. So open your 5 fingers. Yes, like this. Now from that 5 fingers minus 3. So what you will do? 1, see, 1, 2, 3. So how many remains? 1, 2. So write here 2. Got it? Now 7 minus 4. So open your 7 fingers. Yes. After that, opening 7, close your 4 fingers. After closing 4, how many remains? 5, 6, 7. 3 remains. Yes. Now see here. Now one more thing. See here, once we have seen the number, front of that number as many balls we have written and downside number we have cut, and the remaining number we have written here. And here on the fingers we have counted, cut and then wrote. Okay. And now third here, see what we will do. We will keep 5 fingers in mind. Yes, 5 fingers in mind, and then we have to cut 2. So it is there. No, in addition we were doing that first number in the mind and second, but here in the minus only we can do properly by counting on fingers and everything properly. Okay. So 5 minus 2. So once again see 5. Open your 5 fingers. Yes. From that 2 cut. 2 cut. So how many got? 1, 2, 3. So write here 3. Yes. Now see, if there is a big, you will get confused while counting on the fingers. So you can draw like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cut minus 1. So now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So write here 6. Now here same thing, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. And then minus 2. So 1, 2. How many remains? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So write here 7. Yes. These boxes are small, so the numbers are, the circles are going that side. But whenever we are writing in the books, we have to keep the distance in writing. Okay. So we can draw this properly. Now here 5. See, when there is a number big, you can do like this, and when there is a number that you can count on your fingers, that time you can count on your fingers also. So here see, open your 5 fingers. From that minus 1, yes, close 1 finger, so remaining is 4. 9 minus 3. So see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Minus 3. 1, 2, 3. So how many remains? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write here 6. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minus 3. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it everybody? See 9. This big number also you can count on your fingers. Open your 9 fingers first. Yes, open your 9 fingers. Everybody open your 9 fingers. See, one hand 5 and another one 4. So total now see how many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Got it? From this 9 you have to cut 1. So you will cut 1. Yes. Now count total now. Total you have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here you write 8. Got it? Now next 7 fingers. See properly 7 fingers. Open your 7 fingers properly like this. Yes, from that 7 minus 6. So 1, close, 6 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many remains? 1. So write here 1. Like this same 8 fingers. From that 8 fingers you have to minus 2 fingers. So open your 8 fingers. See here 4 I have opened. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 fingers I have opened. From that 8 minus 2 we have to do. So what you will do? 1, 2. Close 2 fingers. Now count total numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So write here 6. Got it everybody? Like this you have to do. 7 minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus 2. 1, 2. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write here 5. 2 minus 1. Yes, it's very easy. 1. Only 1. So once again see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minus 7 we have to do. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Only remains 1. 4 minus 2. Take your 4 fingers. Yes. Take your 4 fingers. Yeah, like this. From that 2 you cut. So how many remains? 2. Got it? Now next 7 fingers. 7 minus 5. Yes. 2. Got it everybody? I will wait for a minute. Just do it. So here see. Subtraction with number line. Yes, number line helps to understand about addition and subtraction. When we have learned addition, what we were doing? The number we were going front and then adding and we were getting the answer. But here we have to see the first number. From that first number we have to come back, means backward counting we have to do and come. Okay, then we will get the answer. That we will see. See now, any number moving towards right means adding. See what I told you, the numbers which go in this way, the numbers which we count in this way, that will be of adding one. Yes, and the number, and moving towards left means subtracting the numbers. So if we will do like this, we will come back, means it will of minus. Got it? See, if we will go like this, it is plus. If we will come back side, that is minus. From number 5, take away 4. You left with 1. So what we have to do now here? See. Number 5. From number 5, 6. Here already they have done for us. Yes. 5, take away 4. Yes. So what we have to do? See. This is number 5. From this number 5, we have to take away 4 numbers. How many numbers? 4 numbers. So what we will do? The honeybee will come. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? So what will be the number? Yes, 1. If you will remove 4 from 5, we will get the answer 1. Got it? Now see here. From number 6, take away 3. Yes. From 6, take away 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes. So how much we got? 3. Here we got number 3. Got it everybody? Come on the next page. See now, from number 4, take away 2. So how much will be the answer? See now, here from 4. This is the 4. Number 4. From this 4 we have to remove 2. So 1, 2. What the number came here? 2. Very good. You can understand that, and for cross checking you can use your fingers also. Open your 4 fingers, from that take away your 2 fingers. So how many we will get? Only 2. From number 6 take away 4. See, the number 6 is here. From this we have to come back 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer is 2. So here we will write 2. From number 8 take away 4. Number is here 8. From here 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer is 4. So we will write here 4. Got it? Already we have learned in the addition, but that was forward we were going, and now in the subtraction backward we have to come. From number 7 take away 4. Number 7 is here. Take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 3. Got it? And if you want to cross check, you can count on your numbers also, and then you can check the number. I will wait for a minute just to complete that. Now here use the number line to subtract, and here we have to write the answer. Okay, 5 minus 3. So what we have to do? First we have to see this number 5. From that 5 we have to minus 3. So 1, 2, 3. What is the answer? 2. 5 minus 3, 2. Yes. Now see here next 8. From 8 minus 1. So here minus 1. What will be the answer? 7. Right here 7. Now 6 minus 2. 6. 1, 2 minus. We got the answer 4. Here 5 minus 5. See now. Here 5 is there. In that we have to minus 5. What will happen? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the answer? 0. If you have 5 chocolates and you gave to your friend all 5 chocolates, then what will be with you? Nothing. 0. 9 minus 4. See 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer is 5. So here we will write 5. I will wait for a minute just to complete it. Okay. So as today we have learned to do subtraction on fingers and number lines, that you have to practice at home, so you will get proper idea how to do properly. Okay. And for the cross verification, the answer is correct or no, when you are doing on the lines, you can count on the fingers also, and you can see the number whatever you have done on that number line is correct or wrong. Thank you.